We're so happy to have a full house this evening to celebrate innovation and allyship. And tonight is more than an event. It's a declaration of who we are and what we believe, that innovation and integrity belong together, that allyship and engagement and not isolation moves the world forward, and that the friendship between communities here in Toronto and between countries like Canada and Israel remain one of the most powerful partnerships for meaningful progress. At ChaiTech, we've built a successful startup accelerator for Jewish founders and their co-founders. We've also built a community alongside our incredible partners at the Schulich School of Business and the Prosserman JCC. We've created a place where Jewish founders and their co-founders can solve problems that matter, build companies that endure, articulate that doing well and doing good can be part of the exact same journey as it should be. Thank you all so much for bringing us to this exciting moment. This is actually our 7th sold-out event since we launched a year and a half ago. So big congrats to all of you for being here with us. Our work of building bonds within our community and with other communities is just getting started, and it's incredibly important.
Says, wow, this event exceeded all expectations. Congratulations, Daniel. Incredible, inspirational group of speakers, and kudos to the Jewish community and to the tech community. It was unbelievable. Thank you.
If you live to be 82 and a half, which is Canadian average, that's 30,000 days. So you got 30,000 sunrises, 30,000 chances.